Hello everyone. This video let's cook liver together. Liver is a good source of iron and inexpensive. I cook very often. Let's first prepare the ingredients. Cut onion into small pieces. Cut the red pepper into small pieces. Cut cucumber into thin slices. Cut the liver into thin slices. Use 1 spoon of salt to clean the liver. Clean it and rinse it. Use flour to clean it. Use clean water, rinse it. Use your hand, grab it, remove the blood out. After 4 times wash and clean, the liver is clean like this. Let's marinate the liver. Add ½ spoon of salt. ½ spoon of chicken powder. Some soy sauce. 1 spoon of cooking wine. 1 spoon of 5 spices. Mix it well. Marinate for 10 minutes. Let's make the sauce. 1 spoon of chicken powder. If you want to buy this chicken powder, please message me. I will send the link. 1 spoon of soy sauce. ½ spoon of oyster sauce. 1 spoon of water. Pre-make the sauce can prevent rush during cooking. It can save some time. Set it aside. Heat a pan, add cooking oil. Add garlic, onion. Stir fry the onion. About 30 seconds, add the liver. Spread the liver, add the cucumber. Stir fry about 40 seconds. Add the pre-made sauce. Add 1 spoon of 5 spices. Add red pepper. Add sesame oil. Stir 5 more seconds. Take it out. I'm working hard sharing recipes. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. The liver is tender, no more stink. Cucumber is natural sweet. The liver and the cucumber combination is perfect. This recipe is simple. Try to cook for your family. Please subscribe.